This is the Kia Niro plug-in hybrid 2024 model. My wife checked in on the car this morning and it was completely dead. We've only had the car for a few months, and it was very difficult to figure out what to do because I couldn't put it in reverse to back it out. There was no reset battery button here, which is what some people said there would be. I had it plugged in to charge, but that was not working. Since I couldn't move it, I tried to find the battery up front here to charge it. I think that this is, I don't think this is actually a battery. I think this is just a connector to the battery, which I ended up figuring out was in the trunk, but the trunk was locked and could not be opened. So what I needed to do is I needed to crawl through the back there and then use the, take out the key from this key fob and use it and push it to the right to manually open the trunk. And then popped open this thing here, and voila, found this battery for the plug-in hybrid. I don't think this battery exists on the hybrid only. So I'm going to try to jump the car this way. I guess theoretically I could have jumped it from the front, but again, since the car can't be put into reverse, and I don't know how to put the car in reverse, I just didn't have long enough cables to do that. So that's it.